In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. First of all, launch settings and scroll to hit display. After you do that, scroll again, this time to choose easy mode. And firstly, to activate it, use gray switcher next to it. Then wait for it to turn on and manage those options as well. Firstly, touch and hold delay. Pick one of those if you want to. Try it out thanks to blue button. And when you finished, hit done. You can also choose custom and create your own. Then hit done as well. Now, if you want to, you can also click on this section called High Contrast Keyboard, pick one of those and go back, or switch it off completely thanks to the blue switcher at the top right corner. So as you can see, easy mode is now on. If you want to disable it, go back to the same section, use blue switcher and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!